Children, today I am going to explain you the lesson Shararati Chiku. Shararati means what? Shararati means naughty, and Chiku. Let us see who is Chiku. Okay, here Chiku is very naughty, I think so. So let us start our lesson. You can see here some pictures. In these pictures you can observe some animals. So this lesson is about some animals, jungle. Okay, so let us start. चंपक वन में चीकू नाम का एक बंदर था. वह बहुत शरारती था. उसकी शरारतों से सभी परेशान थे. See, Champakwan. One means jungle, forest. Champakwan. What is the name of that forest? Champakwan. So, in that forest, Chiku नाम का एक बंदर था. Bandar means monkey. So, in that forest, there is one monkey. The name of the monkey is Chiku. वह बहुत शरारती था. That monkey is very naughty. Usually monkey means naughty only, but here this monkey is very naughty. उसकी शरारतों से सभी परेशान थे. Because of his naughtiness, everyone was very much irritated, very tensed. All they are very much irritated. चीकू के मम्मी पापा भी उसकी शरारतों से तंग आ चुके थे. Chiku's parents also very they get too irritated after explaining so many times. They used to tell him, don't do like this, don't do like that. Regularly they used to say, but he is not ready to listen that. For that reason Chiku's parents also were very much irritated. वे उसे समझाते लेकिन उसकी समझ में कोई बात ही नहीं आती. Daily they used to explain, this is not right, you should not do like this. Daily they used to explain, but not a single word he used to understand. एक बार स्कूल में हिंदी के शिक्षक हाथी दादा ने चीकू को डांटा. चीकू की शिकायत उसके पिताजी से की. चीकू को बहुत गुस्सा आया. उसने दूसरे दिन हाथी दादा के आगे केले का छिलका फेंक दिया और वे फिसलकर गिर गए. So here what happened, see, one time what happened means in the school his Chiku's Hindi teacher, who is Chiku's Hindi teacher, Hathi Dada. He scolded Chiku. He did something, so his teacher scolded him. चीकू की शिकायत उसके पिताजी से की, and he called his parent and he gave complaint on him. Who gave? His Hindi teacher. Who is his Hindi teacher? His Hindi teacher is Hathi Dada. चीकू को बहुत गुस्सा आया. So he got very much angry. He got angry. उसने दूसरे दिन हाथी दादा के आगे केले का छिलका फेंक दिया और वे फिसलकर गिर गए. So what he did? Here what he did? He got angry, no? So he thought, I should do something. I should teach him a lesson, like that he thought. And the next day after eating banana, he threw the banana peel in front of Hathi Dada. So here Hathi Dada didn't see that banana peel, and he fell down. Okay. एक दिन स्कूल से घर आते समय चीकू को रास्ते में जोजो जिराफ दिखा. जोजो लंगड़ा कर चल रहा था. चीकू को शरारत सूझी, पर जोजो भांप गया. One day while he was returning from the school, One day while Chiku was returning from the school, he saw giraffe. What is the name of the giraffe here? Jojo. He saw giraffe on the way. The giraffe is not walking properly, and he got an idea. He thought to tease Jojo, but Jojo observed that, and he thought, I should explain him. Like that he thought. जोजो उसे समझाने के लिए उसकी ओर बढ़ा. Jojo want to talk to Chiku, so he go forward to Chiku to explain that whatever he is doing, that's not correct. Chiku को लगा कि जोजो उसकी पिटाई करने के लिए आ रहा है, बट चीकू थॉट ही इज कमिंग टू बीट हिम. लाइक दैट ही थॉट. उसने सड़क पर छलांग लगा दी एंड ही स्टार्टेड इमीडिएटली ही स्टार्टेड रनिंग ऑन द रोड. छलांग लगाते समय चीकू गिर गया. वाइल ही वॉज रनिंग ऑन द रोड ही फेल डाउन. उसे काफ़ी चोट लगी एंड ही गॉट अ वेरी सिवियर इंजरी. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, सी. जोजो को चीकू की हालत देखकर दया आ गई. व्हेन जोजो सॉ चीकू fell on the road with the injury, he felt so pity on him. वह चीकू को अस्पताल ले गया. Immediately he took him to the hospital. डॉक्टर बोलू बालू ने बताया कि चीकू का इलाज करना पड़ेगा. देन बोलू ने बताया, हु इज डॉक्टर हियर? डॉक्टर बोलू बालू. बेयर इज द डॉक्टर हियर. हिज नेम इज बोलू. He told that immediately they had to do treatment. ट्रीटमेंट इज नेसेसरी फॉर चीकू. जोजो ने चीकू के मम्मी पापा को खबर भेज दी. इमीडिएटली जोजो सेंट एन इंफॉर्मेशन टू हिज पेरेंट्स. हुज पेरेंट्स? टू चीकूज पेरेंट्स. थोड़ी ही देर में चीकू की मम्मी पापा भी आ गए. इन वेरी few minutes, a very less time, the parents reached there. His parents reached there. उन्होंने जोजो को धन्यवाद किया. Immediately they thanked Jojo because of taking his child to hospital. डॉक्टर ने चीकू को बताया कि जोजो नहीं होता तो उसका जल्दी ठीक होना मुश्किल था. डॉक्टर सेड टू चीकू, if there was no Jojo to bring hospital to Chiku, then it was very difficult for them to save him. डॉक्टर की बात सुनकर चीकू ने जोजो से माफ़ी मांगी और आगे से किसी को भी परेशान ना करने का निश्चय किया. From that time, he asked sorry to Jojo, and from that time he decided he is not going to tease anybody. He is not going to give any kind of trouble to anybody. यह देख चीकू के पापा ने कहा, सुबह का भूला यदि शाम को घर वापस आ जाए तो वह भूला नहीं कहलाता. After seeing that, Chiku's father said, if you made any mistake and you repeat that again in the evening, that is not called a mistake. Like that his father said. चीकू ने अपनी मम्मी पापा से भी माफ़ी मांगी. So after realizing himself, Chiku asked sorry to his parents also.